Can't eat couscous because of the wheat? Is your gluten-free pasta turning mushy and falling apart when you cook it? Well, I have a better alternative. It's chewy, bouncy tapioca pearls that actually holds on to flavor, costs next to nothing, and come together so fast. No mush, no stickiness, just a seriously satisfying swap you can get any time of the day. So easy to make and is packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. Let me show you how this is done. These are tapioca pearls. They're known as Sabudana in Hindi. You can grab a 2-pound bag at any Indian grocery store for just $1.99. They are starch extracted from the roots of cassava plant. You can look for pure tapioca pearls from Amazon or any other stores. I used about 2 cups of the tapioca pearls. Now before soaking this, you have to make sure that you wash it really well first. Washing and soaking this for about half an hour speeds up the cooking time and it ensures better texture. After half an hour or an hour, I went ahead and I strained the tapioca. I also added half a teaspoon of salt to make sure this doesn't stick together and that it is well seasoned. Okay, so this will be soaked overnight. Next day, I went ahead and I drained the water, rinsed this really well and drained this again. This rinsing and draining reduces the excess starch on the surface. This is also the case for rice, orzo or even pasta, where you cannot get rid of the starch entirely, but washing this gets rid of the starch on the surface. Okay, now that the tapioca is drained, I'm going to go ahead and fry this a bit. So I got my oil going in and I'm going to put some cumin seeds first because I like some flavor into this, some smoky flavor. After 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add the cubed potatoes to this. It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to throw in about half a teaspoon of turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory. And with that, a little bit of pepper too. A little bit of grated coconut. This is optional, but it tastes really good with coconut in it. Okay, now I'm going to put the tapioca pearls in here. And if you can see, it's a little more plump too after the soaking. Okay, then we're going to stir this for about a few minutes to combine everything together. Then I threw in some cilantro. Now I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lemon, about half a lemon for that sourness. But then this is almost done. Everything is ready and it looks so good. Okay, and look at this. It smells so good. It smells so minty. Now let me go ahead and try some too. It tastes very good. It tastes just like couscous, but couscous has wheat in it. This is the perfect gluten-free substitute for couscous. You need to make this, guys. It's so good. So good. Try this and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you have any questions too, let me know in the comments. Oh, this is really good. You're definitely gonna love this. Thank you for watching this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. And have a great day.